Jesus would be understanding and
we're about
these folks.
we're about spreading the love of Jesus, and
You're just trying to talk to them.
as a Christian is willing to talk.
Okay.
I have to take care of my church and my family, so I asked that you actually would also be this way.
You don't want us to manage. I'm here to worship.
You're here to worship.
I'm always worship. I'm a Christian.
We're here to worship. We're here to worship. Okay, thank you very much.
So he does ask, please leave. We're here to worship, please leave. We're here to worship, please leave. And Don Lemon persisted, did you try to talk to them? You know, are you trying to have conversations with them? And the pastor's saying these people don't want to talk to us. And I don't know if Don Lemon's line of questioning is going to play into the intimidation angle. When it comes to the violation of the FACE Act, that'd be an interesting thing. And again, I'm leaning on a lot of your guys' information. I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below to see your interpretation of this, especially if you're coming at this from a legal perspective. I could see this becoming a big Jimmy Kimmel situation. We all saw what happened with Jimmy Kimmel when he was taken off the air because of what he said in the wake of the Charlie Kirk assassination. He became a martyr for the left. People were screaming about the First Amendment, screaming about free speech, and then he was ushered right back on to his stage to continue his show. I do wonder if the same thing is going to happen with Don Lemon, if they'll just kick up enough of a storm about this that things won't follow through here. But again, he was indicted by a federal grand jury. So that's citizens coming together and deciding that he was in violation of the FACE Act. And we know that nobody is above the law. So if they find that his involvement constitutes a violation of this FACE Act, then so be it. He should go through the legal process just like the rest of us would. But I guess we'll see what happens here. I'll keep you posted on that. I just wanted to give you guys the update that he was arrested. And again, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. I'd love to hear your legal interpretations of his involvement and his subsequent arrest. Let me know in the comments down below, as this is something I'm not super well versed in. I'm just taking the information as it comes to me and watching the clips of what he did on that day, sort of filtering the information that I have through that. So let me know in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, like, subscribe, click the notification bell, be notified every single time I post a video for you guys, which is every day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Hey, Sal.
Hank, what's going on? You haven't worked a case in years.
I just bought my car at Carvana, and it was so easy. Too easy.
Think something's up?
You tell me. They got thousands of options. Found a great car at a great price. And it got delivered the next day.
It sounds like Carvana just makes it easy to buy your car, Hank.
Yeah, you're right. Case closed.
Buy your car today on Carvana. Delivery fees may apply.
¿Hablas español?
Sprichst du Deutsch?
If you use Babbel, you would. Babbel's conversation-based techniques teaches you useful words and phrases to get you speaking quickly about the things you actually talk about in the real world, with lessons handcrafted by over 200 language experts and voiced by real native speakers. Babbel is like having a private tutor in your pocket. Start speaking with Babbel today. Get up to 55% off your Babbel subscription right now at babbel.com/Spotify. Spelled BABBEL.com.
Starting a business can seem like a daunting task, unless you have a partner like Shopify. They have the tools you need to start and grow your business. From designing a website to marketing to selling and beyond, Shopify can help with everything you need. There's a reason millions of companies like Mattel, Heinz, and Allbirds continue to trust and use them. With Shopify on your side, turn your big business idea into... Sign up for your $1 per month trial at shopify.com/special offer.
Well, the holidays have come and gone once again, but if you've forgotten to get that special someone in your life a gift, well, Mint Mobile is extending their holiday offer of half off unlimited wireless. So here's the idea. You get it now, you call it an early present for next year. What do you have to lose? Give it a try at mintmobile.com/switch.
Limited time, 50% off regular price for new customers. Upfront payment required. $45 for 3 months, $90 for 6 months, or $180 for 12-month plan. Taxes and fees extra. Speeds and slow.
Alright, we have new video of Alex Pretty. I am so surprised and shocked. I can't believe his behavior. He's anything but a peaceful protest. He's an obstructionist. He's an anarchist. He might be a nurse, but he is no angel. Check this video out.
This is a moment the news movement filmed on January 13th in Minneapolis, showing a man who appears to be Alex Pretty interact.